Hello everyone. We have seen the introduction to various large language models and how they are performing and what are the ethical considerations we need to take care, and now we shall see how do we build a conversational AI application like a chatbot. Here in my session I have taken example of building a chatbot and how do we set the tools in order to build those things. I just gave a non-technical description of how do we build the chatbot because these are all theory sessions, right? So first of all, conversational AI application, definitely we talk about the chatbot, wherein conversational AI means the machines will understand what we are talking, that is natural language, and they try to respond, right? Conversation, the dialogue is happening between the user and the chatbot or the AI system. One such application is building the chatbot or conversational AI model using ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is built by OpenAI, we know this. And ChatGPT is also called as the natural language processing model, which helps to understand the language we are giving and tries to respond. Other models are also there like Google's Dialogflow and Microsoft bot framework. There are other models also, but we know ChatGPT is outperforming. So let us see how do we build a chatbot. First one, choose the platform. Which platform you want to work with, choose the platform. Say for example, I am working with ChatGPT. I chose the model. Then once we choose the model, what we need to do is sign up, get an account. Once you get the account, we need to mention what is the purpose of the chatbot which we are trying to build. Say for example, I want to help it to do student admission process. So in such case, I need to tell what is the purpose of the chatbot I am trying to build. The purpose is to take care of student admission into an academic institution. So we need to mention the purpose. Then try to see the chatbot which it is creating, and you need to tell it the questions should be how do I reset my password, how do I define the user ID. For such questions also the chatbot should be responding. So you should make sure your chatbot is responding to such kind of questions. Once the chatbot is decided and what type of questions are to be answered, we need to train the model. Once the model is trained, what we shall do is test and refine. You need to see how the chatbot is performing by giving some text questions and see the responses and test its performance. Once you find the chatbot is performing correctly, we need to deploy it. And once we deploy it onto a website or an app or messenger kind, anything wherein you want your chatbot to appear. After deploying, monitor and improve. You need to keep an eye on the performance of the chatbot, whether it is performing as expected or not, and you need to always have look for the scope of improvement. So as I told, I did not give you the coding part of building a chatbot, because I just want to mention using ChatGPT without having much coding knowledge also we can build applications like this. So the major concentration here is we are trying to build a chatbot without having much or zero coding knowledge. We are still able to build such things, right? So these are the major steps involved in building a chatbot. In the next application, we shall see how do we generate text using these models, right? Thank you.